Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the microphone sound test of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2. So the entire sound in this video is going to be from the buds itself. Now no matter which TWS earphone you buy, the microphone is used only on one bud. So whichever you take out first, that's the one. So I think it must be the right one over here right now. This. If not, it'll be this one. So one of them. So the sound is coming from that. So this has noise cancelling built into it. So let's see how good it's going to be, how the mic is going to perform in different scenarios. So let's go ahead and start with the test. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're riding the bike with no helmet. Don't do that; it's illegal. I'm in Magarpatta city right now, so just for a short distance, I'm riding without a helmet. But anyways, in these scenarios, there's a lot of wind. So wind is not good with mic. So doesn't matter which kind of earphone you use, TWS, wired, whatever. Most of them have problems with wind. So hopefully this does not get affected by wind too much and I am audible enough. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on but the visor open. So this is an open face helmet scenario. Now in this scenario, there would be a little bit of disturbance, a little bit of background sound, a little bit of the wind, not much because the helmet is actually blocking the wind. But background sound might be coming in a little bit. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and since wind is not hitting it anymore, you should be able to hear me clearer. I don't know whether you can hear me or not, but I'm hoping you will be able to hear me. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on but with the visor closed. Now in this scenario, you should not be getting too much of the background sound and wind sound. The problem here is the echo. So hopefully there's not much of echo and you are able to hear me well. Okay, so we're doing the water sound test now. So I am next to the 70 water fountains outside Season Small. So a lot of water sound. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I am outside, in front of Season Small and Aminora Mall. So I'm in between the main road. So a lot of traffic here. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the people sound test now. So I am in an arcade with a lot of machines and a lot of people playing. There is a bowling ball and other machines and everything over here. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what was my experience with this. Now, I'm just telling you again, the entire sound in this video has been from the mic on the earbud itself. So it will be either this or this. One of them. So the sound was actually audible. So what I mean by audible is you are able to understand what I'm saying. So that's important in a microphone, in a phone call. So if you're doing a phone call, the other person should be able to understand you. Noise cancellation, background noise cancellation and all comes second. First, they should be able to understand what is going on. There are a lot of earphones that I've used where the noise cancellation is so powerful that it actually muffles your own sound. So you are able to hear me loud and clear. If I try to talk a little lower, in a lower volume, then maybe that screeching sound that you are getting in between, that won't be there. But uh, whichever scenario you use it in, you are audible, your sound was clear, little bit of disturbance from outside was coming in, but that was not too much. So for the price, I would actually justify, the price actually is justified here and I would actually recommend this for phone calls. I have used a lot of the expensive, actually all of the expensive truly wireless earphones and They're good with sound for you to listen to music and stuff. The noise cancellation is for you for blocking out all the background sound, but it's not for phone calls. This one is a truly wireless earphone, which can be used for phone calls, for music, for everything. So for you or for the other person on the other line, is going to be good for everyone. So all rounder for the price, I think it is justified. It is somewhere around 17-ish. There are places where you will get it for 15-ish. So depending on what offers you actually get it on, this is going to be a good purchase for anyone. And it's quite small. It fits big ears, small ears. So I'll be talking about all of that in the other review. So that's it for this video. If you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. The same content will be available over there in those languages. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.